Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Goodfellas Vaping Review. I'm Zul.
And I'm Aaron.
And today we'll be bringing down two items that we are going to be reviewing. One will be the Vortice dripper or Vortice, however you want to call it. And the second will be the high voltage resistor. Now, as for the Vortice, I'll be talking about it, and as for the high voltage, we'll both give our thoughts on it. So, this is my Vortice dripper right now. It is available in Vape Army for 90 ringgit at the moment, and we just got it. It's now becoming one of my favorite drippers to use because previously I got the Mako Shorty, which is right now being used by Aaron, and that was pretty awesome. That gave me some really good results along with some awesome taste. However, I've always wanted to see one of these. This is a clone, so no, this is not the original. And you know, in Malaysia, if you're gonna buy an original tank, it's gonna be really expensive. So I say go for the clone first, and if it works for you, then go on to the original one. So well, just to let you know, this is how the Vortice works. You can actually just take off the top, and compared to a lot of drippers I know, it's not too tight. The O-ring is not too big, and it's not going to stick and give you a lot of problems. It's very easy to take off, and it actually has two holes to allow you to suck air from both sides, and the dripper actually has that turbine design going on, which allows you to create a vortex into your dripper, gets into the coils and get into your mouth, alright, and gives you that fantastic flavor. Now, I am using the 2-hole adapter, okay, but there's also the single hole adapter, as you can see. So this is pretty awesome. And one thing I like about it is that it actually is the whole base is actually screwed on, so you can actually vape safely. So you can actually tie the whole ring and then actually retain some liquid in there. Now that is really helpful if you want to go around and just not drip it too often. And as for the flavoring, it's pretty awesome, man. Another useful bit about this, because it's currently on only one single coil, I found that it's very easy for me to actually just refill my liquid. So whenever I'm out, without taking off the top, I just drop a couple of drips in the middle, and it gets right onto the coil, and bam, you're set. So that's the Vortice, and it's available for 90 ringgit at Vape Army right now. We do have quite a lot of stocks left right now. The next thing that we're going to be talking about is the high voltage resistor. Now, if you know your liquids, high voltage is one of the older brands in the States. It's very famous. You can see it in a lot of the vape cons. So this is the one in the line that's actually creamy. We have everything in stock except for the diode, and we'll probably be having that very soon. So what it actually is energy infused caramel espresso. I'm not too sure what it means by energy infused, but I'm thinking it should be something like Levita and Red Bull, where it's going to give you a little bit of a kick to start the day. The interesting part about high voltage is that they actually have one particular flavor that's called Lights Out. Lights Out actually has melatonin infused. And if you don't know what is melatonin, then I suggest that you actually Google it, and you'll find it very interesting. So, Aaron, would you like to drink?
Yeah, sure.
Alright. High voltage resistor is also available at our shop for 90 ringgit. Pretty standard pricing for US liquids.
It's very good.
It's very good. As for me, I'll just tell you this. High voltage is actually energy infused caramel espresso, and as I vape, you can really taste that caramel espresso bean in there. It's very thick, but it's not overwhelming. It's not say to the level of ACB's nicotine kits ACB or even the radioactive, but it's still there. It's very, very nice, and I've been vaping it for quite a while. It's quite nice. What do you think about the taste?
It's very mild, it's not that strong. And it's creamy. One thing. It's very refreshing.
And that's something that's very rare for a lot of liquids. So I say go out, just open the wallet and just get one. It's available here at Vape Army, and as far as I'm concerned, if I'm not wrong, it is only available in Vape Army at the moment. So come over, see me. Thank you for watching our latest episode of Goodfellas Vaping Review. Again, I am Zul and this is
Aaron.
and we'll be seeing you in the next episode. Till then, vape safely, guys.